What if I told you there's a way to build a side hustle that earns money while you're making pancakes for the kids? And here's the kicker. No one even knows that it's you. No social media dancing, no awkward selfies, no fighting algorithms with your face. Just systems powered by AI selling digital products and content while you're out there living your life. Stick around because today I'm going to show you how faceless income streams are rewriting the rules for parents who want freedom without all the spotlight. What is up? What is up? What the hell is up, my Dark Horse friends and family? Welcome to another episode of the Dark Horse Entrepreneur AI Escape Plan, where we break free from the grind, share AI-powered tips and side hustle strategies, and we support our parents chasing freedom like the modern-day trailblazers that they are. Hey, if you happen to know someone who's dreaming of ditching the grind, but they're still out there making time for bedtime stories, please go ahead and forward this episode to them. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about some faceless side hustles, that quiet revolution for parents with AI. We're going to build some income streams that scale in the background while your family still gets to come first. We're going to talk about how faceless content, businesses, and digital assets are becoming the silent engine of online income, the step-by-step way that parents can create printables and prompt packs and faceless YouTube channels, all powered by AI. And we're going to wrap all that up by telling you why faceless does not mean soulless and how to build something that earns without burning you out. Okay? So let me start with this thought. Faceless is freedom. Let me say that again because it is the opposite of everything that Instagram and many of the other platforms will tell you. Faceless is freedom. You do not need to brand yourself to death. You don't need to go viral with a hot take. And you definitely don't need to plaster your face or your family all over the internet just to earn online. In fact, some of the most profitable online businesses today have no faces at all. No, that's true. They're powered by systems, assets, and automation. And with AI, building those businesses has gone from techie only to something a parent can do in a single weekend sprint. Let me take you back to a moment that sparked this entire faceless wave. A friend of mine, a dad with 2 children, both under 10, was drowning in work. He hated social media. I mean, capital Hated, hated social media, hated putting himself out there, certainly didn't want to put his kids out there, but he wanted the extra income. So one night after bedtime, he opened up Canva and ChatGPT. He created a pack of printable chore charts, meal planners, and bedtime routine cards for kids. He uploaded them to Etsy, priced them at $4.99, and then went to bed. Weeks later, he had forgotten about it until one morning he checked his email and he saw, "You've got a sale." I just suddenly thought of that old movie called You've Got Mail. Remember AOL way back when? No, he had You've Got a Sale, and then another, and another. Within 6 months, those $4.99 printables made with AI tools and zero personal brand were bringing in about $800 a month. No TikTok dances, no live streams, just quiet, consistent income from assets that worked even while he was making pancakes. That, my friends, is the power of faceless hustles. So let me tell you how you can do this today, because you can do it too. Let's break down the 4 faceless income streams that parents can start right now. As soon as you're done listening to this podcast. Number 1, AI printables on Etsy and Teachers Pay Teachers. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, something like create 10 printable ideas that my niche would buy for $5 to $10. In my case, it would be create 10 printable ideas that parent entrepreneurs would buy for $5 to $10. Then you use Canva or Kittl to design. AI will help you generate templates that will give you faster turnaround. And then you upload all that to Etsy, TPT, or Gumroad. Here's a pro tip for you. Bundle 5 or 10 of those packs together for a higher average order value. You got a bunch of them. Once you create them in an afternoon, you get 10, 15, or 20 of them. You can do these packs of them so that you're not selling them for $4.99 a piece. You're selling 5 of them for $14.99 or something like that. So you're lifting your average order value. Number 2, prompt marketplaces. There are platforms like PromptBase and PromptC that will let you sell custom prompts. So here's an example. Give me 50 AI prompts for busy parent entrepreneurs who want meal plans, bedtime stories, and weekly schedules. Boom. And it'll give you those prompts. You build once, you sell forever. And let me give you a pro tip on this one. Package prompts with a short video demo. It could be an AI voiceover. You could use stock footage with your voice. This will build trust. Number 3, faceless YouTube channels. This is a big one. I've started one of these myself. But what you want to do here is you want to pick a niche. It could be, I don't know, kids' bedtime stories, productivity tips, history shorts, affirmations, something you're passionate about. And then you're going to use AI for the script which could be ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper, whatever platform you want to use. The voiceover, 11 Labs is really good at this. You could also use play.ht, and the video, Pictory, Runway, or CapCut, all using stock footage. You can monetize this through YouTube ads once you get enough volume. Affiliate links can start you right out of the gate in digital product upsells. Heck, you could link them back to your digital products on Etsy and Gumroad or whatever platform you're on. Here's a pro tip here. Upload consistently 2 to 3 times per week. That compounds fast. I would suggest uploading a minimum of 1 per day. You can bang them out really fast, okay? And then finally, number 4, digital asset packs. Think of things like KDP, Gumroad, and Creative Market. Inside of that, you're going to be creating things like planners and trackers and templates and those chore charts where I told you about earlier. You can design them in Canva, in Notion, or in Google Docs. Get AI to help you polish it up a little bit, help you think of ideas that just kind of escape you, and then sell them as downloadable files. Here's a pro tip. Pair this with an email list so that every buyer steps into your ecosystem. Yeah, because now you're building an email list and you can sell them things on an ongoing basis. With AI, faceless income streams aren't just possible, they're parent-proof. Build once and let the system sell forever. Look, here's the thing. If this excites you even a little bit and you're ready to start your own faceless side hustle, make sure you sign up for the AI Escape Plan newsletter. It's designed for parents like you, entrepreneurs like you, ready to break free from their 9-to-5 grind. Each and every issue delivers practical AI-powered strategies to start, grow, and streamline your side hustle. It's all designed to protect your family time, all while boosting your income. Your roadmap to more money, more freedom, and more of what truly matters to you. All right, so here's the bigger picture, ladies and gentlemen. Faceless income streams are more than just a side hustle. I think they're really a rebellion against a toxic culture that says you must brand your personality in order to be successful. Parents don't need another image that they have to manage. They got enough going on. They need systems that protect their time, guard their family, and still bring in some extra income. AI has made this not only possible, it's made it practical. And I think this matters because the future isn't all about who can shout loudest online, right? Because you might not win that battle. It's all about who can build the smartest and leanest systems. Parents understand this shift, won't just survive the AI wave. I think they'll be able to ride it all the way to freedom. So here's your Whiskered wisdom today. The one action I want you to take tonight. Head on over to Etsy or Gumroad or whatever platform you choose and type in printables and browse for 5 or 10 minutes. And then after you got yourself a little experience under your belt, head on over to ChatGPT and type in something like this. Give me 10 printable ideas for, and insert your niche in there. You could say parents like me or hardworking folks or farmers, whatever your niche is. Give me 10 printables for, and type in your niche. And then you could even add on to it. You know what? Give me 10 printables for, put your niche in there, but ask me 10 questions to clarify the niche and the printable ideas to make it even more unique. Yeah, you'll start getting some really great ideas then, and then answer the questions. That's your spark. Not another overhyped course, not a 6-month plan, just one prompt that could unlock your faceless income stream. Tomorrow, you could be building instead of scrolling. So you don't need to be an influencer, right? You don't. And if you want to be, cool. This episode's not for you, but you don't need to be an influencer. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. You don't even need endless hours. With AI, you can build digital assets, prompt packs, and faceless content businesses that run quietly in the background, giving you more mornings for pancakes and more evenings for bedtime stories and more freedom all in between. Think successfully and take action.